Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Alright, so I'm just packaging up some of the butterflies that I cut out earlier or in a previous video. So I'm just putting them into little bags, and I'm using recycled packaging because this one is so cute. It's got the different length bags. I mean, it's a little bent, but you know, we can fix that. And they all have the different size butterflies. So I am just going to, I'm probably going to shorten these up and just have it so it's like the cascading. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the light from my window is shining bright right now. Okay, so I'm just going to take these little, I don't want to take the butterflies out again, so we're just going to put them together like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I will put one staple way down as far as I can get it. Then I will cut off the top right here. Alright. And now I just need a little topper. Alright. Let me move these out of the way for right now. Ooh, how about that? How about I just take this and fold this down? Yeah, that's cute, cute idea. I think, I hope. Yeah. And we can go like that, right? And then use the little staple. I'm going to use the staple here. So even though this is not Maggie Holmes paper, I think it looks cute in there, and then we can lift these up. So now I can cut this off. Cut all this off because it's just bulk, and it's just going to make my package thick. Alright, now we're going to use some of my little die cuts that I had cut out for the bag toppers. How about that? Ooh. They're cute, but it's not what I was looking for. No. How about? Okay, let's try that. I'm going to use some of this mint streamers and just give it a rouge. Easier said than done. I'm just folding it just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, I guess. I'm saying it, but I'm not letting it go. Trying to make it perfect. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good, right? I think so. So yeah, more than enough. Yeah, do that. Okay, let me move the extra butterflies out of the way. All these different size butterflies. Trying to pick it up without bending it. Good luck with that. How much is on the bottom instead of the top? of a bag topper, it's a bag bottomer. I'm sorry, being really silly right now because I'm in a hurry. Still have to make my dinner because it's probably already dried. Yep, it is. Okay, done. And we're just gonna put that just like that. How about a kite? Yeah, how about, why not? Right? Come on, just put this XO on here. Put it right on the kite. Oh my gosh. Too many words. Too many words. How about that is it? That looks good. I really, really, really hate the glue strings. Okay. I'm gonna put a star right here. All right. Uh-oh. Don't move. And it won't move back. Like that. Guys, I'm just decorating it, putting it wherever it will take up space. Not too happy with it, but that'll do. That'll be fine. And then the back is just that. That's it. I got the little waterfall of butterflies. And I'm going to put this in the binder. Let me see. I already put some stickers in here. So maybe I might just keep that in there and put these in here with the other stickers. And then put this with the other butterflies. Will it go in? And it goes in! Like that. I think that's good. Oops. Oh, it's cute! Ooh, extra fluffy. Alright. There's that. I do want to package this one up because this one I redid. I added an extra set of tickets at the very end, and then I backed it with another string of tickets. I want to leave it blank. I mean, leave it just as it is on the back, because then she can know they are tickets. But I want to tie it up with something just to keep it, see, to keep it closed. Let me find something. Is this too much? Let's see. Yeah, it's too thick. Okay. Yes, here we go. Can use yarn. Right? That'll be cute. Okay. Now I just want to be very delicate because I don't want anything popping off. But I just want it to stay closed. There we go. All right. I think that's cute. And then after I tie it up, I can trim the extra yarn off. It's just a little. There we go. Trim that. Trim that. Sorry for the sunlight. My window is right over here. And it's just glaring in. So that's what that looks like. I think that is adorable. And when she opens it up, it's full of cuteness. Alright guys. So that is it. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. I'll be back to show you how I packaged this little one with my butterflies. If you guys remember from the first video, I have these butterflies that I want to pack up, and I might throw in some little stars and maybe even a bow. We'll see. So come back for the next video. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.